India's DRDO has completed development of an indigenous anti-tank missile that recently demonstrated full capability by destroying a moving armored target in top attack mode during trials. This success validates the man-portable anti-tank guided missile for immediate production and deployment. The MPATGM allows a single soldier or small team to carry and operate an effective anti-tank weapon without needing heavy vehicles. The complete system includes the missile inside a sealed launch tube, a reusable command launch unit with a built-in thermal sight. The missile itself is 1.3 meters long, 120 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 14.5 kilograms. The launch unit adds another 14.25 kilograms, bringing the total to about 29 kilograms, usually managed by two soldiers. To fire, aims through the thermal sight and locks the imaging infrared seeker onto the target. The missile then launches with a soft ejection to reduce danger behind the launcher, and the main rocket motor starts after it clears the operator. Once launched, the missile guides itself to the target without further input, letting the soldier move to safety immediately. The guidance system supports two attack modes: direct for targets in clear view and top attack, where the missile climbs and then dives onto the thinner roof armor of tanks. The warhead uses a tandem design. The first charge defeats explosive reactive armor blocks, and the second penetrates the main armor beneath. Tested range reaches up to 4 kilometers, with reliable performance shown at 2.5 kilometers in many trials, and minimum engagement distance starts around 200 to 300 meters. A comparison with the American FGM-148 Javelin provides context for where the MPATGM stands in the global hierarchy of infantry weapons. The Javelin is widely regarded as the premier system in this class and shares the same core philosophy of fire-and-forget guidance and top-attack capability. Both missiles rely on imaging infrared seekers to lock on to targets before launch. They both allow the infantryman to shoot and scoot. This shared operational concept places the Indian system in an elite group of modern anti-tank weapons. Differences emerge when examining the specific performance metrics and logistical footprints. The Javelin generally offers a longer effective range. Its latest variants can engage targets beyond 4 kilometers. The MPATGM has a stated maximum range of around 2.5 kilometers. This range is adequate for most line-of-sight infantry engagements, but falls short of the extended reach provided by the American counterpart. The Javelin also benefits from a mature production line and extensive combat feedback from multiple conflicts, which has led to continuous software refinements. The MPATGM is a newer entrant and will likely see similar iterative improvements once fielded. Weight is a constant concern for foot soldiers. The Javelin system, including the missile and the reusable command launch unit, weighs approximately 22 to 25 kilograms. The MPATGM aims for a similar weight profile. The missile weighs roughly 14.5 kilograms, and the firing unit adds another 14 kilograms. This makes the total system slightly heavier than the Javelin. This weight is typically distributed between two soldiers in a team. Reducing this weight remains a focus area for future upgrades to enhance soldier mobility in mountainous terrain. The economic aspect creates the most distinct separation between the two systems. The Javelin is an expensive asset. Its high unit cost limits the quantity that can be purchased and expended during training exercises. The MPATGM is manufactured domestically by Bharat Dynamics Limited and is projected to be significantly more affordable. This cost advantage allows the Indian Army to procure the weapon in large volumes. Widespread availability ensures that a greater number of infantry platoons can be equipped with third-generation anti-tank capabilities. It also secures the supply chain against geopolitical disruptions during wartime. The successful testing of the MPATGM against a moving target signals a transition from development to deployment. It marks an era where Indian infantry relied on second-generation wire-guided missiles like the Milan and Concourse. Those older systems required the operator to remain stationary and guide the missile until impact, which was a dangerous proposition on a modern battlefield. The MPATGM removes this vulnerability.
It empowers the average soldier with the ability to destroy advanced armor autonomously. The program has now proven its core technologies are robust and ready for mass production. This achievement strengthens national security by reducing dependence on foreign imports for critical tactical weaponry.